Educators with Kimmi. I'm your host, Kimmi Nunley. How's it going? Welcome, welcome. We're going to give YouTube a few minutes to notify people that we are live. Welcome to those who are on the podcast, those who will watch the replay. And tonight we are talking about that it's not too late to start your notary business. It's really not. A lot of times I get pushback and people say, well, Kimmi, so many people are already doing it. It's too late for me. It's too late. I can't start a notary business because everyone else has one. When I Google people in my area, they have one. So it's too late for me. Yeah, it's not too late for you. And we're going to talk about why it's not too late for you. Many of you already have your commissions. Hey, welcome. Many of you already have your notary commission. So you already have your printer. You already have your supplies. You have your journal. You have everything you need in order to start your business. And it's not too late for you to start. It's not. I have some reasons here we're going to discuss. You can tell me some things together. Hey, Lisa, how are you? Welcome, welcome. Lisa is our guest speaker tomorrow night inside the Notary Business Success Program. And we are so excited to have her. We will be doing, she and I together, we will be doing loan signing agent profile reviews. If you do not have your loan signing agent profile put together, don't know what to put, you probably need to be in mentorship because we're doing live reviews tomorrow, okay? And that's going to help you to know what to actually put. What are they looking for? What are signing companies looking for? So we're going to discuss that tomorrow. She says she's super excited. So yes, I'm excited for that. We actually have a few more members of our notary family that will be doing guest teaching, and I'm so excited. And that's letting me know, that's letting you guys know that these people, wherever they may have started in their notary career, guess what? Now they're knowing enough where they can tell somebody else. That makes me proud. That makes me proud. So a lot of times people may say, well, I don't want to teach somebody else because if I teach them, then they're going to know more than me or people are going to like them better. No, we're going to collaborate. We're going to collaborate because one, again, it lets me know that, hey, our people are doing some things and it's not too late for you. Hey, Sheila. Sheila actually did her first signing recently. Oh, I guess, Lisa, would you mind telling people I'm live over here in the chat? I forgot. I really should tell everybody I'm live. But anyway, yes, so we have several members, though, of our notary family, Notary Business Success community that will be doing some teaching and different topics are coming. And I'm just so excited. So, again, so now's a good time for you to join. Now, let's talk about why it's not too late for you to start your business. And before I even get into my little teaching spiel here, do you think it's too late to start your notary business? What do you think about that? And if you already have your supplies, you already have your printer. Many of you said, Kimmi, I got a dual tray printer. I have toner. I have everything I need, but I just haven't done anything. Let's talk about why. I need to know the why. Why haven't you started doing anything? Do you think it's too late for you? I'm going to tell you already, it's not. But tell me, why haven't you started? What is the problem? So let's get into some reasons, though, why it's not too late, okay? The first reason, and I asked ChatGPT, okay? I went straight to our friend Chat. And I said, Chat, is it too late to become a notary in 2025? They was like, no way, no how. That's like people saying, well, you know what? It's enough doctors out there. I don't think I should become a doctor. There's already enough doctors. Oh, you know what? It's too many attorneys. How many attorneys do you see when you go on to the television and you're watching commercials and you're listening to 18877 Pain and all this stuff? Hey, Martha, how many? How many attorneys are there? Do you think somebody's in attorney law school right now saying, you know what? I don't think I'm gonna become a lawyer because it's already enough out there. Yeah, I done spent all these hundreds of thousands of dollars and tens of thousands of dollars, but you know what? It's oversaturated. I don't think I'm gonna become an attorney. Not. They're gonna become an attorney, become the best attorney that they can. They're gonna market. They're gonna take care of their clients, and they're gonna blow it out the water. The same thing in the notary space. So sometimes, are we making excuses, guys? Are we making excuses? I'm just gonna call it what it is. You know why I'm being a little frank this evening, like even franker, because I'm always frank and honest. But you know why I'm giving it to you so straight today? You really want to know why? It's because I've been watching a lot of the stuff on YouTube, and I didn't realize so many women work for the government. I did not realize that. It is so many women working for the government that are losing their jobs. And I'm sitting here like, I just didn't know. I just did not know. So all these different rules and regulations and stuff that cost people their jobs, now people are like, well, what do I do? And I was just like, you know what? It's time that we really do start. I've been about that business life for a long time. I had my own business since I was 13. Okay. I had my own business since I was 13. And I've also worked for people. You guys know I have worked at the bank. I worked at the hospital, right? And I have a background working 9 to 5 like everybody else. You know, I really worked off hours, like 10 to 7, stuff like that, because I never like traffic. But my point is that I didn't realize so many people work for the government. So we have to not be so reliant on the government. I had to move my move something. My camera was on. Sorry about that. Yeah, I didn't realize so many people work for the government. So people are losing their jobs left and right. And that's the only thing they're depending on is a job from the government. And I was just like, wow. So when you have your own business, and I'm not saying you quit your day job today, if you got a job and they're keeping you on payroll, stay on payroll. But in addition to that, let's build out our business on the side. Let's have something in our name, something that we own. I'm very big in ownership. I don't rent my cell phones. I don't rent my car. I own everything, okay? I'd rather drive a 19. I did this. I got rid of my 19, well, I don't even remember what year the car was, but I had several brand new cars, right? That's all I was accustomed to driving. I love a brand new car almost every 2 years. So I even got hooked up in leasing one year, guys. I even got hooked up in leasing. So this video is going to be about a little bit of everything. So I hope you catching the gems, okay? It's not straight up learn how to ABC. No, you need to listen, because I had somebody say that one time. So you know when somebody tell me something, I'll be like, ah. So they was like, you didn't teach anything. I'm like, girl, you wasn't listening. And the chat went off on them, because it's like I always teach. If you got your ears on, you're listening, you will learn, okay? So again, and all things lead back to your business. So this will also lead back to your business. So anyway, I had all these different jobs, and I've always been a business owner, and I believe in owning stuff. That's what I was saying. I own my cell phone. I don't rent my cell phone. I'm not paying them $75 a month every time a new iPhone come out. Okay, I buy older phones from Amazon that I own. Okay. Same thing with my car. I got rid of cars before. I've always had a brand new car up until a certain age. I was like, wait a minute, I'm not giving all my money to Ford Motor anymore. Because, you know, I'm from Michigan, so we bleed Ford up that way. My dad worked for Ford Motor. My father-in-law worked for Ford Motor. So I drove Ford, okay? But my point is, yeah, we're not doing that anymore. So I'd rather drive an old car, which is what I did. I got rid of a car that had a $600 car payment on it, and I don't even know what car payments are nowadays. And I got a $3,500 paid for Honda Accord, and I drove that thing for 10 years, and then I sold it to a family member, okay, and they had it for another year or two. Would have lasted longer, but you know, that's another story. So yeah, your girl believes in ownership, okay? So I'm not saying quit your day job today, but everybody on this live, just a few of these people that are part of our notary family, our notary community, notary business success, they have another job, but they also have their business that they're running that they own. So sometimes people aren't doing their business full-time because they do have a full-time job. And that's great. Again, I'm not the one getting ready to say, quit your full-time job and be a notary. That may not be what you want to do, but I am going to say, build out your business so you can have something that you actually own in the event your job goes away. Or you decide, you wake up one day. How many of you have woke up one day and said, you know what, I don't want to do my job anymore. My knees hurt. I started this industry when I was in my 20s, 30s, 40s, and now I'm in my 50s and my knees hurt.